how to upload Notion template on Gumroad. In this video, I'll show you how to upload Notion template on Gumroad. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com into your preferred browser and then sign in into your Notion account. Now, once you're signed in, go ahead and head over into that specific template that you want to sell on Gumroad. So you'll find that under the private tab. So simply click on that template name, and then once you're on that specific page, go ahead and click on that share button, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. So under this, click on publish. Now under the publish tab, click on that publish button to publish this to the web, and then click on this view site button. Now once you click on this, you'll be able to get redirected into your publish template. So in here, copy the link of your template and then head over to Gumroad. And then in here, click on the Showtime button and then go ahead and name your product and then set the product type to digital product. So I'll simply name this as Digital Garden. Now, once you have named this, go ahead and scroll down and then price up this product. And then scroll down and then click on this next button, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. Now, on the next step, you can go ahead and add the name, description. You can paste the URL that you've just copied into the section. Scroll down and you can also upload the cover of the specific product. You can add integrations, create different versions of this product, and then in this section, you can also incorporate the domain of your template. So you can remove that from this section and then move that into the very bottom of this page. Now, once you have set this up, you can go ahead and click on that Save and Continue button to publish this product to your Gumroad account. And that is how you can basically upload Notion template on Gumroad. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.